Come on, heart faster. I want bigger smiles. There you go.
We have the chicken, satay chicken. Hi, I'm Mama Noi. Guess what? I got a big surprise. I keep it very secret. No one knows. Only Noi knows. Now they can tell you. I got a cookbook. I'm so happy. I got another secret. This Noi kitchen now. I can do what I like. Now let's cook it. Today we're making Thai chicken satay. Colorful chicken, a lot of peanut, very tasty. This recipe is a Noi recipe, much better than Thai takeaway. We're gonna make the sauce. We need vegetable oil, turmeric, now fish sauce, and white sugar. Now we mix together. Be careful not to stain your clothes. Now we add the chicken. I'm using side. I'm a leg and size girl. Marion got that from me. Stir it all up, all good now. Time to use your hand. I don't make my hand dirty. I use turmeric in the marinade. I don't want turmeric in my hand. I don't want a full one. There's good amount of chicken. Keep going till the chicken is gone. Why, please? Why?
Thank you.
Set the chicken on the side. Let's marinate for 2 hours. Now we make a satay sauce. We need a water pesto or food processor. I'm strong Mama Noi. I use water pesto. Add the peanut and grind to the powder. Not too fine, a little bit chunky. Now we're gonna go to the stove top. On a medium heat, add a little bit vegetable oil and the curry paste. Cook till the curry paste smell nice. I stole Marion curry paste. Now we add the coconut milk. Make it nice and creamy. Now peanut butter. Crunchy peanut butter is the best. Sugar and some fish sauce. That looking good. I'm gonna add my peanut powder. Beautiful color. Nice and thick and creamy, really the crunch. Perfect satay sauce. Now I'm gonna get grilling. Medium heat. Oh, ready, you can feel that. Cook the skew, 3 to 4 minutes each side. Enough to get golden brown. Cook to the center. Smelling good. I'm getting hungry. This is how we do in Thailand. Put sauce on the plate. Now we put chicken on the side. In Thailand, we have a special sauce. It's called ajak. If you want a recipe, you're gonna buy my book. I don't give away so many secrets. Now let's eating. You just dip the chicken in the sauce. That's it. And you use this to pick up the ajat. Now how we do it? Ajat, you got all the cucumber and chili. Go well with the satay chicken. This Mama Noi chicken satay skewer. I make this special for you. You can find it in my cookbook. My first cookbook ever. Never done cookbook before. Click the link below. Pre-order my cookbook.